Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show trending search suggestions in Firefox Windows 10. So how to show trending search suggestions in Firefox Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the search menu. Now here you are in the search menu. Tap Show Trending Search Suggestions. This feature provides search suggestions in a private Firefox window without saving history, thus maintaining user privacy. So that's it, the tutorial how to show trending search suggestions in Firefox Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.